Hello, teachers and parents, and welcome to Math Help with Miss McCarthy. I'm super excited that you all are here. Now, just so you know, these episodes are actually powered by you. That's right, parents, I know that your kids come home with math homework sometimes and you're like, what? And teachers, I know that as you're planning, you'll come across math problems that make you think like, how am I going to guide my students through this? That's exactly why I've created Math Help with Miss McCarthy. If you have a math question that's got you stumped, go to McCarthyMathAcademy.com/mathhelp. And if your question is selected to be in an episode, you'll also receive complimentary access to the gold plan of the Taking on the Best membership. We're about to dive into today's problem, but before we do, I do want to let you know that you definitely want to stick around till the end, because as you're watching, you might be thinking, wow, I wish that there was a place that I could go to that had tons of video lessons and tons of printables that would just make my life easier to help my kid or my students to better understand. Well, you're definitely going to want to stick around because I will walk you through the members area. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to today's problem and let me teach you. Today's third grade question comes from Ryan, and Ryan forgot to include where he was from. That's okay though, but Ryan did include his email address, and I was able to set him up with that complimentary access 7 days to the gold membership. And here was Ryan's question. Ava is making a smoothie for her family, and this is Ava's recipe right here. The question says, what is the total volume of the smoothie in the blender in milliliters? And we can see that all of our answers right here are in milliliters. So we're not converting the units of measurement here. We're sticking to millimeters. We just need to find the total volume. What does that mean? We need to take the strawberry juice, the mango juice, the yogurt, and the ice water and combine them together to find the total, which requires the operation of addition. So here's how we do that. Just line up our places, line up our digits in the correct places, adding them up. So 0 ones plus 0 ones plus 0 ones plus 0 ones is 0 ones. 5 tens plus 5 tens plus 0 tens is 10 tens. Woo, it's high up here. Nice landing, dude. And then we have 100 plus 200, which is 300s. Plus 100 is 400, plus 200 is 600, plus 100 is 700. So the total volume would be 700 milliliters, which can also be written as this, milliliters. We're about to go into the members area so I can show you some additional video lessons that pertain to the benchmark that we actually covered in today's episode. But before we do that, I just wanted to thank you for watching. If you are enjoying this content, it would really mean a lot to me if you could hit that like button. You can even subscribe if you'd like to. That way you're the first to know when I drop new videos in the future. And if you know a teacher or a parent who has a 3rd, 4th, or 5th grader that could benefit from these videos, make sure that you share them. Thanks again for liking the video, and now let's explore the members area. So here we are at the members enter here tab, and we're going to explore this membership right here for teachers, and the video lessons that I'm going to show you are also available inside the family edition too. Once you've signed up, you will simply just click the membership you're trying to enter, and we're going to explore 3rd grade resources. And the benchmark that we worked on today was a measurement skill. The one that we targeted today was actually this benchmark right here, MA.3.M.1.2, which is the real world problems with measurement. The first page that opens up are your bronze resources, which include the video lessons and the printable student guides. For this particular benchmark, there's one video lesson and we have a student guide right here. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3 questions right there. And inside the video lesson, we're using the same student guide. Let me show you. So if I take a little peek in there, you can see that we have somebody named Gail who's making a recipe and we're breaking it down, drawing a picture, and so on and so forth. Now, even though this benchmark only had one video lesson, every benchmark is different depending on the complexity of the benchmark and how many skills are actually involved. If you're a teacher and you're looking to take your next steps, you can go to the website above that says McCarthyMathAcademy.com/teacher. If you're a parent, go to the one that says /family, and those will help you with your next steps. Ryan, thank you again for submitting your question, and everybody watching, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this Math Help with Miss McCarthy episode. Again, if you have a question, go to McCarthyMathAcademy.com/mathhelp and submit your question today. And if it's featured in an upcoming episode, you'll get 7 days of free access to the gold plan. That's it for this episode, y'all, and I hope to see you real soon.